Hello traders and welcome to this segment of Gold Rush Daily. This is where we look at our perspective view of what you're expecting gold to do today. And we begin with the economic calendar. We don't have any high impact news for the dollar that is likely to impact gold. But of course, it's very significant, or it's of essence for you to always trade with proper risk management because anything can transpire at any time. So you want to be well leveraged. You want to always take trades with the proper risk management. Not only in times of high impact news, but also even when we don't have high impact news, because anything can come out anytime and you find your positions are being affected. So let's go to the technicals, and this is the daily time frame whereby we saw the price create this daily engulfing, right? So this is the daily engulfing level where we are expecting, or I was looking at the price coming to this level, at least this daily engulfing level before maybe pushing higher. But the price was not able to tap exactly on that zone. So it missed that zone with some few pips. Also, we have at this particular level here that the price has broken up. All right, and we are talking about a breakout above this level will push prices higher. So we are still anticipating the price to come to this particular level. Okay, I'm still anticipating the prices to come to this particular zone. So if you look at it from this particular level, you realize that the price has already done what? The price came and retested this 4 hour the 4 hour order block, or the 4 hour it's a 4 hour order block because we have a BOS here anyway, right? We have that BOS, and then now the price coming to that 4 hour order block as well as the 4 hour engulfing, and now we are seeing price pushing sharply from that particular point. So far so good, about 69 pips thereabout. Okay, so when you come to the 1 hour time frame, so my anticipation is for the price to still push up, right? For the price to still push up. My target is these particular highs here, right? My target is these particular highs at that particular point, at that particular level. So I'm still anticipating the price to come to that particular point, okay? These liquidity levels here, that's where I'm targeting the price to come to before maybe probably pushing higher and tapping this particular point, so that now it can continue giving us that series of higher highs and higher lows. Because from the moment it created a change of character here, we have been seeing the price creating series of higher highs and higher lows, pushing all the way up. So this will be the next anticipation. So I missed this setup actually because the price came around this level and it was not during a kill zone time. So there was no need of taking that. Again, looking at the lows here, the highs here, you find that this level is quite a bit premium. So we don't buy at premium, we look to buy at the discounted levels, all right? So when we go to the 15 minutes time frame now, this is what has just happened. Yes, the price respecting that, and also probably we can say these 15 minutes OB being respected there, and now we are seeing price pushing higher. So we have seen this particular neckline. So what you're seeing here is a W pattern, kind of a setup. So from these lows here, all right, from these highs here, then to this particular point, then to that, then there, and then now we might see the price push up to that particular point, basically to complete that W pattern. So what I'll be looking at now, in case we got because here we have seen the price break above the neckline. So in case now we have a retracement, this will be a valid point of interest to look at some buys, right? This level is still a conservative, I mean aggressive level to look at your entries. And anytime you're trading from aggressive levels, it's best to lower your risk. Okay, so when you come now to the 15 minutes time frame, you can have it something like that. So like that. So in case the price pushes down to this particular level, then it might give us some buying opportunities. Okay, it might give us some buying opportunities targeting these particular points at this particular level here. Okay, and maybe probably you can be more conservative in terms of taking risk, taking profits. You can use that order block around 33.91 levels. That's where we'll be looking at the price maybe coming to that point. And then it gives us some we take maybe probably if you're buying, this is the level you look at, probably taking some partial profits, all right? Or taking your profits here, then you see whether the price is going to break above, and then now we can push the prices a bit higher, because from that level we have this level that we have, which is a level that is within also this down trend line here. So we might see the price coming to retest this level here. It's a quite a key demand supply level, so we might see price pushing all the way to that particular point. Before now, we see more bearish, or before we see maybe probably if the price is going to break above that point to give us some more bullish trajectory, or maybe probably if we are going to see some reactions or some form of kind of rejection from that particular point. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. So remember, in case the price pushes down and breaks below this level, remember we talked about having some selling opportunities. Okay, so in case the price breaks below that and then it gives us a retest, then we'll be looking for some sales, targeting the price to come to this level, and from this level now we'll be looking at also some buys. Okay, and in case now we see also the price come and break below this particular point, then we'll be looking at a retest. Okay, in case you see the price break below that, I'll be looking at a retest and then now some sales, which is likely to push the price to this level. And now from this level, we also have some buying opportunities from that. So that's what we'll be looking at. Okay, so those are the key levels to look at. I'm very bullish with gold for now. I'm looking at more bullish sentiment. So let's watch and see how the price is going to do, right? So we will be guided by the price action that we are going to see. So you can see even this level from the 30 minutes time frame, it's bullish engulfing, meaning that higher chances you might see the price come to this level, right? Then buy from this particular point. I would want it to come to this level, right? Even before tapping this level, I'll want to see the price maybe probably coming there, and then we see a push on the upper direction. It would be very nice, a very nice setup, right? But again, let's just be patient and wait and see how the price action does. If you look at gold this week, it hasn't. Yesterday we were in some bit of consolidation. Almost the entire of yesterday we were in consolidation. Only the price to break out in the later part of the day around 8 p.m. In the New York session. About 6 p.m. in the New York session. So it hasn't really been good, because even here you can see there was some consolidation before now. These morning news about Trump firing the Fed governor Lisa Cook, right? So we might be able to see some bit of consolidation. It's not really looking nice in short, and the reason why, again, being the last week of the week, it's good to be a little bit conservative when you're taking setup. Don't be in a rush to take setups that you're not sure of, all right? So with that, I like to sign off, and we meet again tomorrow, same place, same time, for the Gold Rush daily. And remember to stay disciplined, to stay focused, and to always trade with purpose.